Hi, welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to learn the V-stitch. The V-stitch consists of chains and double crochet. It's a lacy stitch, means it has a lot of holes in between. So I'm going to use white, gray, and blue. So let us start making a chain of multiple of 3, then multiple of 3 plus 4 chains. So let us begin. So here I made 19 stitches, that is 15 plus 4. So we are going to make a double crochet from the 5th chain from hook. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to make a double crochet in the stitch. Then we skip 2 stitches, then make a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet in the same stitch. That is 1 V. Then we skip 2 stitches, make 1 more. Then we have 2 more stitches, so we are going to skip this one and going to make a double crochet in the last stitch. Then we are going to make chain 3, 1 2 3, and turn our work. Then we are going to make another V stitch, that is double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the chain 1 space. Then we make another V stitch in that chain space. Make and chain in the last stitch. So just same like this and that side. Then we make chain 3, turn, we stitch in each of the chain spaces. We do 2 more rows of we stitch in white, and then we will change the color. We made 5 rows of V-stitch, 2 3 4 5, and the last double crochet I'm going to unravel it a little bit. The last one we are going to add the blue. By the way, I am using the yarn is loops and threads, impeccable, and my hook is a size 5 mm hook. Then one more time I will show you how to change the color. That's the last double crochet, just finish halfway. Before the last yarn over, I put the new yarn and yarn over. Then 1, 2, 3. Then repeat the V-stitch pattern for 2 more rows in blue. Now we finished the second row of blue. We are going to add the gray color. Then we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This is just one row of gray. Now that is one row of gray. I'm going to change the color. Black. I'm going to put blue again. So that is the color scheme I am using. 5 rows of white and 2 rows of blue, 1 line of gray, then another 2 more rows of blue. It's an easy pattern. If you like to make a cute crochet scarf, this is a pattern to go for. Even a blanket in this pattern will go very fast. Now I will switch back to white. And turn. Another 5 more rows of white, and we will see. This is the color scheme I worked up, and to make a scarf you can just keep going on, and in case you are making a blanket you can do a single crochet edging in white or gray to give it a nice look. So for the purpose of this video I am going to stop at this point. Of course you have to weave the yarns in weave the yarn tails, and yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and give me a like, and send me a comment with your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye now.